How to fix Gmail not receiving verification code on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Gmail not receiving verification code on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll all the way down until you find here apps, and then click apps again, and now just type Gmail and click on it, and after that click for stop, and now go to storage and click clear data, and now go back and go try again. But if that doesn't fix your problem, now it means that you need to update your Gmail. So just go to Play Store and then update your Gmail, and after that just send the verification code again and you will find it in your Gmail, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.